Before I even distribute, can I possibly find the value of p?
Yeah.
What is it? If I rewrote it like that, what does it have to be equal, Lauren?
It would have to be 7 because it has a missing n and that one has a missing n and p, but we don't know what n is.
Right, so n plus 7 has to also be n plus 7 over here. P has to be the number 7 for it to be equal. You are just trying to match up the two expressions to be exactly the same. Once you find that number, that is your answer. Let's look at one that's slightly more difficult to enter the value of n. So the expression 9y minus 8 plus y plus 5 is equal to ny minus 3. I want you to turn and talk, and this one looks different. Why is it different from the first two? That's pretty obvious, but step 2 might be a little trickier. What can I do to try to match them up? Evens, raise your hands. Even? You're an even, right? Yeah. Raise your hand. Okay. Evens, turn and talk. What's different? And then how might I make it equal to? 30 seconds, go. Five, four, three, two, one. Thanks, Justice. Row 2 is almost there. I just need pencils up at tracking me. Thanks for being ready. Cool. So why is this different? Step number 1. You should have seen something fairly obvious. Lauren. There's like 2 problems. I also would call these 2 different terms. So it isn't just one parentheses matching one parentheses. What could I do to the left that might simplify things for me, Chad?
You might do the variables first and then do the questions. And then you would get that answer and then you would see if it's the same.
Yeah, and by doing them, you mean combining like terms. Okay, so what's 9y plus 1y? Chad, keep going.
10y.
Okay, and then what's negative 8 plus 5?
Negative 8 is negative 3.
Okay, and let's compare to see if that maybe matches something on the right. Well, yeah, I'm looking at the right side, and it actually has a minus 3. What am I missing? I'm missing the y. So if we rewrite the right side, watch what happens. You have some number next to a y minus a 3. Well, what's the number next to a y, whole class? Your answer for this has to be n equals 10. Because you matched them, you simplified it, you found your missing match to the problem. Here's your steps. Then you're going to try one on your own. Check to see if you can match the 2 expressions exactly. We matched the expressions exactly here by putting the 3 on the right, and we had some missing number next to a y. We're going to have a mystery variable that doesn't match, and that's okay. Then you are going to simplify each side. If you can't match them, we could not match the sides exactly up here, so we had to simplify them, and then you're going to find the matching number. Find the matching number. We'll put a bonus 3 there. You try this on your own. I'll give you 30 seconds to look at it. If you have the answer, just put your pencil down so I know you're done. Thanks, row 2. Row 3 is done. Yeah, I don't want partners for 30 seconds, please. You'll have a chance to talk for 5 on the next section. Sean voice. Cool. These problems look a lot weirder than they tend to be easier than they look. For some people. It's okay if it's still tricky. Okay, let's go to step number 1. Help me out, Mason. What did you do on the left side for the first expression? Okay, so we had to simplify each side. We just simplified the left side. Let's compare it. What number makes this equation true, Aiden? Or makes this expression true? Aiden? You said it. What number would make this expression true? 5 would go into here. So n has to be 5. That is your answer. Partner practice starts now. Pencil up. You got 5 minutes. If you finish partners, you're free to go to bronze. Waiting on row 1. Thanks, row 3. Lauren, thanks for your work. I need pencil up. We're going to do a clean start. Write 100. Tesla, pencil up. Go. You can go ahead and choose either to slide up to here or to there. If you want to, you can come up here. Sierra, if you would like to chat, you can turn your chair or move to the desk by Cordelia.